Hey, what's up guys? How you doing today? Hope you had a beautiful weekend. I had, because in my last video, link here, I get a lot of thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And as you saw in the beginning, I had this padded thing out of my camera bag. And if you make a product shooting where you just need a big table, you put your camera on this thing and then you can smoothly slide over the table, and it's a good tip, I think, from my side. If you don't have a slider or if you don't have a gimbal, I mean, if you have a product shooting just on the table, you use this padded thing. I don't know exactly what is the name, but it helps a lot. It's a smooth moving on the table, so it looks like you have a gimbal, as you saw in the beginning. So a couple of weeks back I bought this tiny little thing, the Insta360 GO, just for fun. I mean, I think there are some moments where it's maybe quite practical to use this. The audio quality by far is also not too bad. It's an audio test with the Insta360 GO in my studio, and I hope that the sound is, yeah, quite crispy and clear. But the question is, can you make a B-roll with this tiny little camera? And I think that's the challenge. I want to try it out because, as you know, you never had the chance to see, like when you have an iPhone or any other camera, you can see in the display what are you recording. But here, no chance. Even to Wi-Fi to your camera, you don't see the picture. Only later if you connect, which is pretty cool with my new case, because you just connect it to the iPhone and then you can download automatically the images. But can you imagine how difficult it is if you want to make a B-roll scene without not knowing how does it look? So you have to imagine before, when I put this camera right over this object or whatever person, it can be good, it can be bad. And as far as you know, this is such a small camera. I don't expect a huge quality, but it's Monday, just for fun. Try it out. Okay, this tiny little camera is definitely not specialized for B-roll, but it was a try, and it's always something you have to try out something new, and sometimes you failed. I think it's not too bad, but in the end of this video I show you some clips where I used the Insta360 GO, and yeah, I think it is worth for 250 bucks in the bundle to buy it. Even if you don't know about the bundle, there's a link here over there where I showed the bundle of the Insta360. So that's for me. Catch you in the next one. Have a good one. Peace. I forgot, if you want to know more about the Insta360 GO or even the Insta360, write down in the comments. If you want to see more about this camera or the Insta360, let me know.